So this is the cover for the Bath and Body Works paint lid candle. So I just wiped it off with some clean water, just wipe the surface off to keep it clean before I go in and spray paint it with the Color Max paint and primer metallic gold. So I'm going to spray paint that as well. Product, I totally love it. So I did, however, store my perfume samples in this drawer, in this container. I mean, it's perfect on the go because you guys know I'm not really a perfume person, I'm more of a body spray person. So I reused this, spray painted the can top, so like a brass gold. It actually did turn out cute. And then yeah, so that's my little DIY. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you, and I will see you in the next one.